Hey guys, what is up? Today is March the 1st, man. We are back in March. So anyway, I don't know if you guys remember, this is Mrs. Sarah. I was actually out here last Saturday, did her floors. She was so happy, guys. She had me back today to do the other 3 areas that we did not do last Saturday. Wrote me an amazing review on Google. We did a job yesterday in Blue Ridge, me and my ride-along Anthony from Iowa. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is screen recoat, also wax removal, and yeah, man, I'm just so excited, guys. So flip this around. Hey, Anthony, you can leave all that out for now. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to go ahead and start removing the wax, and then we're going to do the screening, the recoating, and then we're going to go off and do some consultations. I have 2 consultations to do. I just booked 2 new consultations for Monday in Buckhead while I'm doing a job in Buckhead. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we're doing today. All right, guys, so that's Sarah. That's her mom. Those floors came out good, Sarah?
Oh yeah.
And also too, guys, shout out to one of my moving network partners, Sam. They actually came out and moved Sarah's furniture for her yesterday, and she said, Courtney, they did an amazing job moving the furniture. So let me show you guys what we got going. So last Saturday, me and Aaron, my sailing guy, Aaron, well, he's my network partner. Look at these guys, look at these floors, guys. So these are the floors that I did last Saturday. We did the wax removal. Look how good these floors look. Did some color correction. All right. And we did this hallway right here. And we did this foyer. Now, if you look close, you see that sheen? That's the wax on the floor. Now, also too, Sarah, it's in my contract. Anytime we do a wax removal, we always ask the clients to tape off the quarter rounds and the baseboards, because you cannot stop that wax sometimes from getting on there. So I let the clients put the tape around. And then she also did around here. So you guys see that sheen? That's wax on the floors. She said she had a maid company that was putting wax on the floors for over 8 years. So what me and Anthony are going to do is this area. So you see the difference? Look at that, guys. Look at the difference. This area, and then also too, last week, when we did it, we went around the perimeter, and now you can see the difference. And she also has this nice, beautiful Oriental rug that was picked up by a rug cleaning company that I know, and they're going to bring the rug back in 2 weeks. So this is the perfect time to do the wood floors. All right, guys, me and Anthony go ahead and get set up, get started. Stay tuned. Guys, Mr. Anthony got all the wax off the floors, got them clean, scrubbed. Now we're going to do a screening. Did a little test area right here. So we're going to screen this whole area, and this whole area. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, Anthony is laying down the coat. We are going with red coat. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. He's doing that wall-to-wall technique. Nice. All right, guys, we just got back. We went and did had lunch. We also did a consultation. This is a lady that I actually did a consultation for 2 years ago. So she finally came around. She scheduled her appointment for March the 20th. But guys, look how much better these floors look now. This is why Miss Sarah wanted these floors done, so everything can be equal, like we did last Saturday, as you can see. And guys, the thing about, now I will say the good thing about Sarah's floor, this is very rare, but all the rooms cut off. So you notice that, Anthony? Yeah. All her rooms cut off. So sometimes in a situation like this where all the floors flow together, we would have had to redo the whole thing. But like, that's why we was able to do her kitchen area and the hallway and the foyer last Saturday. And this Saturday we was able to do this room, her son's playroom, and also the huge living room. So actually one of my network partners, Sam, who's a moving company, they're actually on the way back now to get the furniture back. So by the time they get back here, we'll be done with the UV cure, which I'm gonna go ahead and start now. And yeah, man. So anyway, guys, it's gonna be a busy year. I had record-breaking year so far for January and February. And March is almost, I'm gonna say probably about 60% booked out. I already got jobs on the books for April. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors UV cured. That finish looks amazing. Again, this was the rag coat. That is a beautiful finish, man. I'm very impressed with that finish. And then what we're gonna do is just lightly clean the floors. We got a little footprints on the foyer area, so we're gonna clean those. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Nothing else to show. Another happy client. And like I said, get these floors UV cured, which will probably take about 30 minutes. The movers will be here to move the furniture back. And I'll see you guys Monday. I actually have a screen and recoat with UV cured Monday in Buckhead. And I have 2 consultations. One is also in Buckhead, and then also one is in Sandy Springs that came through today. All right, guys, see you in the next one. On down. Looks great. Yes, ma'am. Now it's all consistent. Yes, ma'am. So actually, Sam and them are on the way back now to put the furniture back. So I think he's be here about 10-15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, thank you again, Sarah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Just gonna do it. Oh, that right there.